Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery. We are going to learn a new note today, G. Now G is the lowest pitched note that we have learned so far during our recorder unit. Let's review where G is located on the treble clef staff. You see that G is on line 2. So G was a line note and it's on line 2. 1, 2. So in your music today, when you see a note on line 2, you will know to play G. So let's get our fingers in the right spot. Left hand on top. So you're going to take your left thumb, place it over that back hole. Your first finger is going to cover the top hole, second finger over the second hole, and third finger over the third hole. Now you're going to want to press nice and tight and make sure your fingers are flat over the holes. Make sure you're using that meaty part of your fingers. So if you look closely, you'll see the indents in my fingers. Your fingers should look the same if you take them off your recorder. So you need to make sure that your thumb hole is covered nice and tightly and the first 3 holes at the top of your recorder. Okay, sit up tall, good posture. And here is what G sounds like. Just listen. Okay, let's try playing a G together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and great job. This week you have 2 activities to complete in Seesaw. The first is how to play G on the recorder, and this is a 4-measure exercise that you will use the note G to play. So making sure all your fingers are covering the correct holes. Here is what that exercise sounds like. And make sure that you hold that last note for 4 whole beats, because you will see that it is a whole note at the end. Now your second activity is where you are going to get to learn your very first song on the recorder. And this song is called Hot Cross Buns. And it's going to use all 3 notes that we have learned so far playing the recorder. B, A, and G. Now, in Hot Cross Buns, in the middle part of that song, there are beamed eighth notes, and we know that each eighth note gets a half a beat. So during this part of the song, the rhythm is going to move a little bit quicker than any of the other exercises we have played before. And so recorder tonguing is very important so that you are separating each note. So here is an example of Hot Cross Buns. Now, in each activity, I have left you voice instructions. And those voice instructions are actually a recording of me playing either the exercise or the song. So you can listen again to those and you can actually practice along with me before you're ready to record and submit. I can't wait to hear the progress that you are making on your recorder. Have fun.